Hey y'all, this is Bootski and Becky here, and we are going to do the tutorial for Burn It to the Ground. That is the name of the dance, but it's also the name of the song to the artist Nickelback. I'll do a quick 4-corner or wall demo, and then we'll break it down into the individual 8 counts. Come learn with me. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so you saw how I went into all 4 corners rather than being on the walls squared up. And if you can't do the choreographed high kick with the clap underneath, you saw how I did a hitch. If you can't do the hitch, then you can just do a low kick with a clap, or just a low kick without the clap. Whatever modification or variation you prefer, you do you. So let's start out with our weight on our left. We're taking 2 steps forward, leading with our right, and then 2 steps back, leading with our left. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Now with counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the second 8 count is probably where some people get tripped up the most, just because it's not a normal move that everybody does. So I advise doing this step over and over and over and back to back, just to get some muscle memory in. Your weight's on your left. It's a ball cross heel dig. It's a syncopated step. We're going to start on an and count with our right foot. And then we cross our left over our right, step our right foot out to the side. Then we heel dig twice with our left foot. Dig, dig. Now we mirror image that back, leading with our left. And cross with our right, step out to the left, dig, dig with our right heel. So it's and cross, right, left, left, and cross, left, right, right. Let's do that again. I'm going to do it a few times in a row. In 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross, right, left, left, and cross, left, right, right, and cross, right, left, left, and cross, left, right, right, and cross, right, left, left, and cross, left, right, right. After you do that a few times over, you can always pause this video just to practice it some more before you move on to the syncopated heel switches. But once you're ready, let's do that with counts, and then we're going to move on to the third 8 count. In 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the third 8 count, your weight's on your left, your right heel is up. We're going to bring our right heel back simultaneously as we kick our left heel out. And 1, now we do that same thing again, but bringing our left foot back and kicking our right heel out. And 2, do that again, bringing your right foot back and your left heel out. And 3, now we're going to bring our left foot back as we high kick, hitch, or low kick. That's 4. Now the last 4 counts of this 8 count series is shuffle right, leading with our right, and then shuffle leading with our left. So it's like a triple step, 3 quick steps. Right, right, then a left, right, left. So it'll be 5 and 6, 7 and 8 to end that 8 count. Weights in your left, right heel's up, and left, and left, kick, right, left, right, left. That's nice and slow. Weights on your left, heels out on your right. In 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, hitch, right, left. Now let's do that with counts, and then we'll add it to the top. Weights on your left, heels up on your right. In 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. From the beginning, waist in your left, stepping forward on your right, in the diagonal corner, in 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, left, right, and cross, right, left, and cross, left, right, and left, and left, kick, right, left, left. Okay, now we're ready for the next 8 count. We're going to do a rock recover. So with your right foot, you're going to step forward and rock your weight into that foot. Rock. Now we're going to recover on our left, and we're going to shuffle back, leading with our right. Right, left, right. And now we're going to do a 3/4 turn into the next corner. That's where we're going to end, starting with our left foot. So it's 4 steps, left, and I like to stomp on that last count, right. Now you're ready to restart the dance in the next corner, okay? So we just finished our right, left shuffles. We're going to rock on our right, recover on our left, shuffle right, left, right. Now we have a left, right, turn into the next corner. Okay, finish our shuffles. Rock, recover, right, left, right. Let's do that with counts and add it to the top. And that's the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from the top, but facing this corner just to try a new corner. Weights in your left, walking forward on your right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, and cross, right, left, and cross, left, and left, kick, right, left. Rock, recover, right, left, stomp. Let's do 2 corners without stopping, and then you can dance it out to my other video that I have on the YouTube channel where we dance it out to the music for the entire song. 2 walls, 2 corners without stopping. Weights in your left, stepping forward on your right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, and cross, right, left, and cross, left, and left, ish, right, left, rock, recover, right, left, stomp, and right, left, and cross, right, left, and cross, left, and left, kick, right, left, rock, recover, right, left, stomp. Now we're back into the individual corner. You just keep going till the music's over. And I hope you have fun dancing it out with me in the other video. Thanks for learning with me today.